thrilled to announce the launch of two deluxe models, the MF260 Deluxe and the MF385 Deluxe. These deluxe editions represent a culmination of our dedication to customer satisfaction, integrating enhanced features and amenities designed to elevate comfort and convenience with affordability. Introducing the MF260 Deluxe, where every feature is crafted keeping you, the farmers and commercial users, in mind. Crafted for excellent outlook, the MF260 Deluxe stands out with its premium aesthetics, commanding attention both in the field and on the road. This premium machine is not only to befriend farmers, but also a symbol of reliability. Moreover, it prioritizes comfort and convenience for its operator, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable experience every time. Its spacious platform and meticulously designed aesthetics redefine comfort, ensuring that every moment spent operating the MF260 Deluxe is a delight. With features like the rearview mirror, enhancing safety and style in equal measure. Experience the ease and comfort of steering with our hydrostatic power steering system, reducing driver fatigue and enhancing control. With the robust heavy-duty front axle, this tractor provides more load-bearing capacity with no compromise on performance and reduced maintenance of front axle over the time. With the heavy-duty tread-designed tires, the MF260 Deluxe offers higher load capacity, stability, and maneuverability for both agricultural and commercial front-attached implements. Unleash the power of the MF260 Deluxe with its extended wheelbase, ideal for top-tier performance in tillage and haulage. Enjoy enhanced stability and ground grip, ensuring effortless handling of tough tasks. Elevate your productivity and confidence in the fields. Feel the comfort provided by Heat Shield, engineered to protect you from engine heat. Additionally, with installed sun canopy, shield yourself from nature's elements, that is, scorching heat during daytime working in extreme weather conditions, and feel pleasant through the better outlook of fine-looking transmission cover. With the heavy-duty PTO input shaft bearing, this tractor enables you with the fair and lasting usage of PTO-driven implements and avoid frequent breakdowns. The fuel sediment bowl prevents contaminants from reaching the fuel injection pump, while magnetic drain plugs efficiently collect and drain metal traces from the engine, transmission, and rear axle, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Discover an efficient fuel system designed to keep your MF260 Deluxe running smoothly mile after mile. Stay connected with the world while even working in the field through the phone charger. Moreover, the maintenance-free battery allows to omit the daily battery checkups. Join the revolution in agricultural excellence. Choose the MF260 Deluxe, where innovation meets performance. Introducing the MF385 Deluxe, a powerhouse engineered to redefine agricultural excellence. Let's explore what makes the MF385 Deluxe the ultimate choice for farmers and commercial users alike. With increased hydraulic lift capacity, up to 2529 kilograms, and heavy-duty lower links, the MF385 Deluxe ensures easy operating and lifting of heavy implements, saving your valuable time and money. Experience reduced vibrations, extended maintenance intervals, enhanced durability, and optimal transmission performance for both commercial and agricultural applications with state-of-the-art damper clutch system. The robust PTO system, engineered with your convenience in mind. It provides PTO-driven implements with unmatched performance, making your tasks a breeze. Say farewell to those endless maintenance woes. Its extended wheelbase and heavy-duty tires with upgraded size and ply rating. MF385 Deluxe ensures better stability on both road and field. Increased load capacity, minimizing sidewall flexing, and improving stability, which makes it suitable for both agricultural and commercial use. Equipped with rear wheel weights, the MF385 Deluxe can achieve minimized wheel slippage and enable its users to get more work done per hour with fuel saving. Stepping onto the tractor by experiencing optimal comfort and convenience with a sun canopy, mobile charger, and improved heat shield, ensuring a productive and comfortable working environment. With features like maintenance-free battery, magnetic drain plugs, you will have increased maintenance intervals. With the heavy-duty lower links, an MF385 Deluxe offers superior performance, making it cost-effective. From its superior safety features to its high load-bearing capacity, the MF385 Deluxe is not just a tractor. It's a partner you can rely on for years to come. Experience excellence in agriculture with the MF385 Deluxe. Upgrade to unmatched performance, reliability, and durability today.